Hello everyone, this is my program. I am Hordeep, and to run my program you have to install one library named Tkinter, as you can see here Tkinter. So for installing it in your PyDroid, just simply click on this menu button and then on pip. Now simply write here the library name, which is Tkinter, Tkinter. Now simply click on install. It will install. In mine it was installed previously, so it takes a very less time, but in yours it can take 10 to 15 seconds or more than. Now simply click on this arrow to return, then copy and paste my program here and then run it. Then run it. Now click on, let me show you what is this. This is a GUI I made for myself to make this easier to know which period is when. So here is written, to know which period is when, press button and fill information. Now press button and enter your name to continue. And you can write any name. Then next. Then you can select any of the options for the day which you want to know which period is. So I will simply click on Wednesday because today was Wednesday. Now backspace this 0 and write any of the periods, and please do not write any string here because it do not support string. Write any of the period number, like last period was computer. Let me write 5th, and now simply press on print. It will print computer because today was last period computer. I will click on 1. It will print English. I will write 2, print maths. I will write 3, it was maths Olympiad. I will write 4, it was, let me see, what was it? It was science. Now you can just click on any of the day and just write your period, what you want to know. And yes, on Saturday second period will be maths. On Monday, okay, it is not working. Monday नहीं चल रहा है यार. Okay, so Monday is not working. Let me see what is the problem here. D बटन 2, D1 ठीक तो है, कहाँ पर आ गई दिक्कत. ओके, D1 में प्रॉब्लम लगता है मेरे को. D1 में लिस्ट 1 है, periodentry.pack, 2 SUNKEN periodvalue.get, period pack, button frame to FG yellow, text print command. Okay, so the program did not pack it, so let me just say here a command which is .pack. I forgot to write it here. Okay, everywhere it is written. Okay, so now it will work fine. Now simply tap on this button, enter your name, anyone. Now Monday. Okay, it is working now. It is working. Any, first is maths, 5th is not 15. 5th is SST. Okay, it is working fine. So you can run my program and you can also use this for your daily use. Thank you. So it showed a error to me over here because I returned 15, because this only supports till 5. When the periods will increase, I will increase the number of that periods, so it will support and it will work fine. Thank you.